So guys, I got this tandoori masala here.
And
I got chili powder. This is a chili powder. Paprika और chili powder को confuse मत करना कभी.
So for the heat, cheers.
But ना इसको ना container में. देखो chicken marination is done without even carrying a single masala.
So guys, we checked out the restaurant, but we are going out right now because we want to go and sit in a happening place. This is a nice place, nice restaurant, but
no, I don't want to go out of this hotel.
you don't want to go out. देखो ride करा दूंगी वहाँ पे orange वाले helicopter में. Wow.
No,
Let's go eat. I don't know. Guys, this place is in a village. So this hotel villa that we took, it's in a village. We are going towards Sali. I mean the actual Sali to eat something. So guys, we are eating at La Petite Zing. It's a very good restaurant, reasonable. और वो देखो monster trucks. Maybe we'll take one. But this is the restaurant we are going to. सही है, सही बाहर बैठ सकते हैं. We'll sit outside. Today we are going to sit outside. It's okay. Okay, come, we'll sit there. That's the restaurant. Yeah, let's sit here. Sai, come. Casino भी है, so after this we are going to take some stops from there. मुझे sunscreen चाहिए भाई.
After this we're going home.
We're going to your villa. Okay, let's sit. And the lady is holding some sanitizer. This lovely lady here, she'll give you some sanitizer, nothing else. And this man is telling, wear your mask. Guys, it's so hot here, it's very hot, but still, I'm enjoying. So for the heat, cheers.
बट ना इसको ना कंटेनर में मुझे 2-2.5 पीस चाहिए होंगे इसके.
Saurav is again talking in India about some work. So we are waiting for our food. Let's eat. पहला पिज़्ज़ा आ गया है. We have got a pizza. Hey monkey, let her cut it. Let her get some plates. Oh, we've got a sushi also. Sushi. Maki. Wait, what is it? Why is she saying maki? Ah, guys, इस dish का नाम है maki. तेरी maki. It's not doing.
You have to eat like this.
Don't cut it. Side, it's nice.
I don't have sticks.
Saurav's
They don't give me the
favorite.
sticks, so I'm just having like this.
Wow.
Give us the bill.
Yeah, she's giving. Guys, we had the entire food in how much?
Not
The
more
food
than
was just,
3 meal,
huh?
Not more than 3 like this.
Only the meal. We had the food only in the meal. Can you imagine? 1200 Indian rupees. In $18, we had our lunch. Okay, which is very good. And I'll just show you the restaurant across. See, this is the bar. Hell lot of options available, guys. Petite Zing. It's a nice restaurant. Yes. Wow.
India tiger. हैप्पी हो गया
Can you let me see that fat auntie and uncle? Hello auntie, hello uncle, how are you doing?
थप्पड़ मार दिया मैंने
Nah? Cute.
ये तो बिल्कुल मेरे मम्मी पापा लग रहे हैं
ये मम्मी पापा है तुम्हारे? Guys, see, there's something happening here on Saturday, which is Miss Finale Senegal. Wow. So we are booking our table for that. And like, share, subscribe to Fusion by Lucy to have a look at these beautiful ladies. We're going to make video every day now because we are here for 4 days. Guys, we are going to buy something from casino. I'm sorry I have this dupatta on me because it's too hot, and we are going to buy something which we can use in our hotel. First of all, I'm going to buy a sunscreen for my face. And what else? Some ice cream because we have a fridge in the villa. So
But we also need the ice cream that
yeah, we're going to buy ice cream and some fruits and some vegetables.
and more.
Okay, let's go. Guys, we stopped to take some swimming costume and some chappals for the kids.
Hello, Mama. I will buy this. Papa.
And it's a very reasonable store. It is next to casino. So if you are not carrying your swimming costume, you can buy from here. Huh? Show me your shoes. Sahir bought these lovely shoes. Look at this. It looks nice.
I am not very.
I don't want that. We're inside casino. So we're going to take some stuff for the hotel. Oh, monkeys. Stop it.
I'm gonna go. Pringles.
Pani ki bottle. And we need to take this. Have you taken?
So guys, I got this tandoori masala here.
And
I got chili powder. This is a chili powder. Paprika और chili powder को confuse मत करना कभी. Paprika, chili powder doesn't have the same taste. And this is cumin, the jeera powder, and this is dhania powder.
So we are basically going to cook there.
We got all things and we're gonna cook our own food now.
We're going to cook chicken there.
Chicken tandoori. Yeah.
See,
but
all
we don't
this.
have any gas.
They have a kitchen.
They have bloody
They have a kitchen.
Papa,
Masoor dal.
All dal and everything is there. See.
Papa, we can use the gas in our room.
Hari mirch. Why?
There is thanks. How can I? इस वाले का नहीं है ना नेचुरल.
So guys, they have a kitchen as well. This is their kitchen. And if you want, you can cook something which you want. They have a gas, fridge, everything. I'll show you. That's the kitchen. See, they have a fridge here. They have the gas. And they have everything. You want to make a cake, you can bake a cake. But we have got some chicken. We are going to marinate it for the evening. They have a blender, they have juicer, everything is available. And they have some masalas, which they also have Indian masalas. Which is the Indian masala?
This is curry korma, korma curry.
See, they have curry korma. And they have other masalas also. We also got some masalas. So now we're just going to cook this
So
chicken.
guys, we got nothing, right? मैं swimming pool से आया हूँ तो I'm not wearing anything. So we bought nothing from home. We forgot everything. But I got this curry tandoori masala. I already show you there. And this
Yeah, we got that. And we're going to just marinate the chicken.
chutney, this.
We are
and
going to
so
marinate the
this.
chicken. And here is the ball.
How to wash? Dekho, chicken marination is done without even carrying a single masala. Yes.